Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into beauty products with an expert's eye. If you've been searching for a setting spray that promises to keep your makeup in place all day without drying out your skin, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Smashbox Photo Finish Endurance Breathable Setting Spray. It claims to lock your makeup in place for up to 12 hours while hydrating the skin and giving you that breathable, comfortable feel. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the key features of this product. The Smashbox Photo Finish Endurance Breathable Setting Spray is a lightweight liquid formula that works to set makeup, ensuring it lasts longer without the heavy, cakey feeling that some sprays can leave behind. One of its standout benefits is its ability to hydrate the skin for up to 16 hours, quite impressive for a setting spray. Plus, it's dermatologist-tested, so you can feel confident knowing it's formulated to be gentle on your skin, even if you're prone to breakouts. I've been using this spray for the past couple of weeks, so let's dive into how it actually performs. The application is pretty straightforward. You simply hold the bottle at arm's length and mist it evenly across your face. I love how fine the spray is. No large droplets to disrupt your makeup. The first thing I noticed is how refreshing it feels. It's hydrating without leaving the skin feeling sticky or greasy, which is a huge plus for me. Throughout the day, I found that my makeup stayed in place remarkably well. I didn't experience any fading or settling into fine lines, which is often a concern for me, especially in warmer weather. It was also really nice to feel like my skin wasn't being suffocated by layers of product, as the spray is breathable. I wore it during a couple of long days, one of which included a workout session, and my makeup didn't budge. While the 12-hour claim might be a stretch for some, I can confidently say it worked well for a full day of wear. On the downside, if you have oily skin, I'd recommend giving this a go first in a patch test to ensure it doesn't interfere with your shine control routine. While it hydrates well, it might not have the oil-absorbing properties some sprays offer. Another thing to note is that it doesn't have the most potent scent. It's quite subtle, but if you're sensitive to fragrance, you might want to test it first. In terms of value for money, Smashbox offers a good-sized bottle that should last a decent amount of time. For the price, you're getting a high-performance setting spray that checks several important boxes: hydration, long-lasting wear, and comfort. It's a solid investment if you're looking for a spray that won't dry out your skin or leave a heavy feeling. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few options at different price points, like the Urban Decay All-Nighter or the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which offers similar benefits. But if you're specifically looking for hydration, Smashbox has a bit of an edge here. The packaging is sleek and functional, and the pump delivers a fine mist which helps with an even application. I've had no issues with leaks or product wastage, which is always a bonus. If you're on the hunt for a setting spray that locks your makeup in place while keeping your skin feeling fresh and hydrated, the Smashbox Photo Finish Endurance Breathable Setting Spray is definitely worth considering. It's suitable for all skin types and offers a breathable finish that's comfortable for long wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this setting spray, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.